Good morning, Lions. Today is Wednesday, January 17th, 2024. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lemoore Elementary. We're super excited you're here, and we know it's going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions, today's weather calls for mostly sunny skies, or mostly cloudy skies, and a high of about 52. Although the high keeps changing, so we'll see what that really looks like. The green air quality flag is flying, which means the air is good for everyone. For lunch today, we will be having mini corn dogs or chicken patty sandwich. We have no birthdays today. All right, attendance. We had great attendance yesterday. We only had 27 absences, 42 tardies. That was 484 out of 511, which was 95%. Great job, Lions. All right, classes with perfect attendance. Abad, Diaz, Hill, Hope, Martinez, Shiloh, and Zoida. Great job, you guys. All right, today is a regular day. It's Wednesday, and so there is PE today. So it's going to be wet out there, Lions. The fields, we did have rain last night. Luckily, no more rain is scheduled for today, but it will be wet and muddy, so make sure you aren't sliding around in the dirt, and you're thinking about where you're running and playing, especially during PE, okay? Soccer tryouts are again this afternoon, and will be tomorrow as well. Once we list the team, once we end the tryouts and we have picked our team, practice will be Tuesday and Wednesday next week, and our first game is next week. So they're going to be working on putting the nets out. Girls' field will be behind Washington. The boys' field will be out on the Jefferson by the construction. Also, Lions, as a reminder, stay away from the construction area. That blue line, do not go past it. It's dangerous. You do not go past it. Watch where you're kicking your balls. We've got to have a lot of construction going on there for the rest of the school year. They're going to be tearing down a building. They're going to be putting in a new building. So we need to stay clear of that area. All right. Also, benchmark testing for our big kids starts today. I know some of our kindergartners and first graders started yesterday with their DIBELS testing. Great job. Our third and up will be starting their benchmark testing today. Now, Lions, this is the same test you took already back in October. We want you to take it again and see how well you're doing. So, Lions, please make sure you're taking your time and you're doing your very best. Now, your teachers have a very special ticket, and it's color-coded. Every grade level has their own color, and they are to be given out for students who are rocking that test, okay? Who are just putting forth all kinds of effort. It's not meant for every single person to get one. Your teachers are only getting 12 per day. But we're going to pull prizes each day. So if you don't get one the first day, you might get one the second day. Here's what you need to do, though, Lions. You need to put your first and last name on it, your teacher and your grade level, or your room number if you don't want to put your teacher's name. But this box right here, you'll see it here, okay, this box, and we'll put a sign on it, is going to be in the cafeteria. Miss Yessie is in the cafeteria this week helping out. You saw her yesterday. You would drop it in the box there. At the end of the day, the last 15, 20 minutes of the day, we're going to pull out prizes. And we're going to pick 4 to 5 per grade level, all the way down to kindergarten, and you'll come and get prizes. Then we'll take them out, and we'll do a next one the next day. But we're not getting rid of the ones we don't choose. At the very end of testing, when the testing window closes, we'll put them all back in, and we'll pull some more prizes. So this way, this is for the effort that you put in, right? This is the on task, the O, the responsibility, right? Those O and R letters that show what you're doing on task during testing and showing the responsibility of focus during testing. So that is what that is for, Lions. You'll see that sitting by Miss Yessie in the cafeteria this week. And next week when Miss Claire's back at the cafeterias, at the desk. All right, Lions. And then as a reminder, Lion of the Month is 8:30 on Friday in the cafeteria. I'm not anticipating foggy day schedule because it's supposed to rain again on Friday. So we'll see as we get closer what the weather changes to. All right, Lions. And then yesterday's trivia question was, what food is the most ordered in America? Do you know nobody gave me the right answer? A lot of people picked hamburgers, french fries, things like that. But believe it or not, we got to think about all of the United States. It's fried chicken. That's right. The most ordered food is fried chicken. And I didn't say fast food. I just said food. So when you go to a restaurant or when you go to fast food restaurant, like anytime food is ordered, fried chicken is the most ordered in America. Go figure. All right, here is today's trivia question. What do caterpillars turn into? Right? They go through this whole metamorphosis. What do caterpillars turn into? All right, Lions, and I have a couple shout outs actually. I have one shout out for Gregory Gonzalez for reading 84 words per minute without a single error on a second grade reading fluency. Great job, Gregory. And then a shout out to both Mrs. Gingrass's class and Miss Shiloh's class. I got to see you guys practicing your writing and your reading yesterday, and I saw you guys stretching out those letters, and I heard Miss Shiloh's class. They wrote a whole sentence together. Super excited, super proud of you guys for working on your reading. Keep up the good work, kindergarten. And that is all I have for this wonderful Wednesday. Now remember, Lions, we are one school, we have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice. I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it's now time for the flag salute.